Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pay your American Airlines baggage fee online. This is a great way to save time at the airport and avoid long lines at the check-in counter. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to aa.com. This is American Airlines' official website where you'll manage all aspects of your booking. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Manage Trips or Check-in. This is typically located in the top navigation menu or prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be taken to a page where you need to enter your trip details. Here, type in your last name exactly as it appears on your booking, followed by your date of birth. Then enter either your confirmation code or ticket number. These details are essential for the system to locate your specific reservation. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Find Your Trip. The system will now search for your booking in their database. After a moment, you should see your upcoming flight displayed on the screen. Select your upcoming flight from the list if you have multiple bookings. This ensures you're adding baggage to the correct trip. Once selected, click on Manage Trip or View Trip Details. This will open up all the options available for modifying your reservation. Now scroll down through the trip details until you find the section labeled Bags or Trip Extras. This is where American Airlines groups all the additional services you can purchase for your flight. Click on Add Bags or Pay for Bags to begin the baggage payment process. You'll now see options to select the number of checked bags you want to pay for. Choose whether you need your first, second, or third checked bag for each passenger on your reservation. Keep in mind that fees vary depending on which bag you're checking and your destination. Make your selections carefully based on your travel needs. Once you've selected your bags, the system will display a summary showing the fees for each bag. Review these fees carefully to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. When you're satisfied, click Continue. This will take you to the payment section. Enter your payment details, which typically means providing your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check that all information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. When everything looks good, click Purchase or Pay Now to complete the transaction. After your payment processes successfully, American Airlines will send you an email confirmation. This email will include important instructions about your bag tags and what to do when you arrive at the airport. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder for this confirmation. Finally, print or save this confirmation to have it ready when you head to the airport. You'll need it when you go to the bag drop counter, which will make the check-in process much faster since you've already paid for your baggage online. And that's it, you've successfully paid your American Airlines baggage fee online and you're all set for a smoother airport experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.